Hi, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Coffee and Candlesticks. This is where we provide market analysis and insights using Hyblock's products and tools. Before we begin, I need to say that this is not financial advice. Everything I say and show in the video is for educational purposes only. So to get started, we're looking at the BTC pricing chart on a 15-minute time frame, and the first indicator we want to focus on is open interest. If we focus on last week, we can see that OI had not seen much of an increase, especially during periods of volatility, which we can see right over here. To provide some exact numbers, we can see that price on February 24th increased by 14.8%, and OI only increased by 4.5%. If we do a similar analysis with the spike that we saw earlier this week on February 28th, we can see that price increased by almost 19%, and OI increased by 16%. When we see large spikes in OI, that decreases the likelihood that this move will be a fake out, which we can see was true in this situation because since then price has ranged from 43,000 to 45,000. Another interesting indicator that we can add to see the difference between the spike on February 24th versus February 28th is top trader leverage used. So we can open that up. We can see that on February 24th, both top trader long leverage and short leverage increased. You can see right over here. However, during the spike on February 28th, we can see a significant increase in long leverage, but not much of a change in short leverage. If we switch over to the liquidation levels, we can see that during the dates of February 18th to February 28th, there was a lot of liquidity on the top side to be taken. As we've moved up in price, we have taken out a lot of those levels, and currently we can see that there's a decent amount of liquidity both above price and below price. Switching over to the net positions heat map, let's take a look at the net aggressive short positions. We can see that there was a lot of aggressive shorts that opened in different areas during the last 12 hours, including this region over here, and over here, as well as some areas where a lot of shorts closed positions, such as this black line in the middle right here, and this dark blue line below right here. We can see that these areas have already started acting as support for price as it moves up and may continue to do so in the near future. Moving on to the open interest profile, we can see that currently price sits in a region where there are multiple high OI nodes. That includes at 44,100, 43,600, 43,100, 41,800, and 41,600. If we move up, we can see that there is a liquidity gap in this range over here between 44,400 and 45,500. And if we break below this region of high OI nodes, we can see that there's some liquidity gaps below the price of 41,200. Finally, looking at the probability histogram, we have not seen too much of a dramatic change in each of these indicators over the last 24 hours. Global longs distribution is slightly on the lower end. Top trader positions is right in the middle. Funding rate is slightly low, and open interest distribution is also right in the middle. So that was all I needed to show for the Coffee and Candlesticks edition 2. Thank you for listening. If you're on YouTube, please leave your feedback in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next edition. Cheers.